Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because I just got my fall collection from Color Street. Just came out at the end of October. And I'll show you the ones that I purchased. Obviously I didn't get all of them because I wouldn't have time to wear them all. They do have 2 for Thanksgiving. They got a bunch for Christmas and some that are sparkly that you can probably do for New Year's, like this one. So I'm going to show you the ones that I picked. Whenever you buy them, they are always buy 3, get 1 free. So that's obviously the best deal because you get 1 free. So I did get 8 of them, 2 being free. So here's the first one. It's all sorts of sparkly. I have something similar to this on my toenails. I did a pedicure. It's been 3 weeks now and it looks flawless. It's amazing for toes. So this one is called All the Jingle Ladies, which is just super cute. They all have funny names that are real creative. This one is She's Lit, and it's very sparkly and glittery, and it has Christmas lights on it, and then one that kind of has like a little ombre design on it. Then I also got Ready, Set Confetti. That's black and all sorts of sparkles. I guess it is a little difficult to see on camera. That one's fun. This one is It's a Wrap. So we have some silver presents, and then we have some red background glitter nails with silver snowflakes. I love those. This one's a favorite. Holly Batgirl. Silver glitter with little hollies on them. Can't wait to start wearing them. I'm probably going to use like maybe these in November. These just look like flannel little Christmas designs. This one's called Feliz Navidad. That's pretty cute. And they did have some reindeer ones, but I didn't get those. And I didn't get the Thanksgiving one, though my friend did, and she wants to like share a pack because there's 2 sheets in here. So she's going to use one, and then I'm probably going to use the other. This one's super cute. It says ho ho ho. There's some snowflake stripe ones and snowmen. And this one's called What a Snow Off. And the last one I got, all spruced up. So these are all green and glittery. I think these are going to look really cool on my nails. So if you guys are interested in trying Color Street, I do have a get ready with me video where you can see how I put them on. Very easy. You take them off with nail polish because they are 100% nail polish. And I do have samples. So if you guys email me, you can pick from these samples. I have a glitter ombre. This one I think is called Coral Reef, or Coral Shore rather. I have a solid kind of shimmery pink. This one is a French nail, and honestly I haven't tried those yet. They come in 2 pieces, and I think it's glittery, but it's turned over so you can't really see it. And then I have a solid red. So if you would like to try a sample, I'll mail one to you along with a brochure, a little booklet showing you all the designs. So find my email in the description box below. Let me know if you have a preference, which sample you want, and I will get those in the mail. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.